Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine where I try to improve my programming skills. First, I will be 5-minute typing and then I will do TypeScript tutorial. Alright, so we load this guy. I change to another project and that will be, what was it? TypeScript? Oh, memory. TypeScript, yeah, it was TypeScript. So, TypeScript Playground in this window, yes, please. Okay, that seems to work. And outer ignore something. And where is it? Really first JS. Oh, I have to do Control Enter, let 1, 2, 3, and what I can tutorials teacher. Okay, so that's the place. All right. So let's start with the typing. Improve my typing. Yeah. Okay. What do you have? 6%. Okay, let's keep at it.
So that means goodbye you, and I can do me free schools, and there. Oh no, it was tutorials teacher, wasn't it?
Tutorials teacher. Okay, so let's do tutorials teacher. I'll stop this time. Tutorials, JavaScript, tutorials teacher. And the tutorials, JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript is TypeScript. Cool. This stock photo is concerning me a little bit. Anyway, I'll start the time and have a look. So first, what I see, I can insert a file, and the file will be the README for this. So tutorials teacher TypeScript.md. Okay, so yes, add please. Here will be heading, and that will be TypeScript tutorials. Okay, TypeScript tutorials. Add, oh come on, add tutorials teacher. Tutorials teacher. Okay. So here we will have a link. So that was brackets that way. Here will be this description, right? And here will be oh no, so here is description and there is a link. Okay, so it will be here. So here's this, and here I will say tutorials. Think like so. Then we will have, and I think free was the next thing next to do. Maybe one more. It looks nice, and we have a setup development environment, so we will say finish. TypeScript overview, TypeScript setup, and oh, so this is 1, 2, 3. Copy, switchy, and pasty. TypeScript environment chapter. Save. README file for tutorials teacher. Commit. Okay, good. Now, what's next? I did that. It's installed, I think. Am I in the right place? Really? Tutorials teacher? So I have the first in here. Open it. and here's nothing. Okay, that doesn't help really first. And here we are just doing some variable. And then I have, oh, not the structure, this guy over here. Oh, come on. Alt 1. That's the file in there, and this is that. Okay. So, setup environment and pm install. I think I have it installed. Install plugin for your IDE. Has it for Eclipse. WebStorm excludes support out of the box, so that's my case, I guess. TypeScript in Visual Studio, TypeScript Playground. There's a online playground. That looks nice. TypeScript Playground. Cool. I had that. To write STR code on file without need to download or install anything. This is great place for beginners. This is like description of it. Here's nothing. So it will be 1, 2, 3. Overview, setup, development, environment. Thing. No code example in this is chapter. And you go by. Okay, commit. Setup, environment, complete. And I don't want the code analysis. Okay, let's continue. First program. First program, overview, setup. Here I will create a directory, and this will be 004 first. Is it a bit bigger letter? Yeah. Program. Let's see what they say. File. In this chapter we will write a simple program in TypeScript and compile it. We will also make some modifications to our program to see how JavaScript and TypeScript read the code. We will see how TypeScript compiles the program and shows the errors, if any. Let's write a simple program which adds two numbers and displays the output to the console. Create a new file in our code, name it @ts, write the following code in it. And this is how I compile it, and this is the output of it. Okay, so I have to compile automatically in my environment, so I think I will not bother with this guy. So we have a function, add two numbers, takes number, returns that, and then we have a variable sum that takes number, and then we output it. Okay, so let's do that. We will create a file, and this is in the wrong place. It should be over here, or it is. Oh, it is. Okay, so TypeScript file, and this will be one add, yes, edit there, please. And now there was this add function, right? So it was function and it's called add something or something. There's a that was number, and we have b, and that was number as well. Output will be number 2, and I have a typo in here, so we'll fix that. Now it complains that we don't return the number, and that is okay, we'll fix that. We will return a plus b, like so. Then we will have a constant, const result of add, and that will be type number, and we will do assign it the result of the add function. So you say add and 1, 2, for example, and then we will output it. So we will say console.log, and here we will say this is result of add function, and I will put this in the quotes. Add function for input parameters of 1 and 2, and here we will add the result of add, yeah, that guy. Okay, I'll save it, and maybe I need to transpile it because it's not okay. So I can try it then. So we are in here, and I have really first. So I go 1 up, and here I will say cd004 is the autocomplete. Then there I am in the right thing, so I will say TCS or TSC. TypeScript compiler would make sense to me, and say editor.ts and do the magic. Is the right thing to do. Yeah, TypeScript compiler editor.ts. Editor.ts not found. What do you mean? Maybe dot .ts. Like in this directory you want to say, or what's the problem? Oh, because there's no such a thing. It is called O1 something. O1 editor.ts. So now it should be working. I forgot I changed the name. Oh, and it did something, so we will have a look in here. And it looks like it reloaded, yeah, and we have here the result. So I will split you vertically. Vertically, yes please, and here we will say O1 added a TS. No, I want the JS thing, and the dot. How come it doesn't let me show? Okay, so this is the compiled thing. And what's different? Okay, so we don't have the type specification anywhere. And can I run this? run. It looks like it doesn't do anything. Maybe they will tell me how to run this in here. So this is the output. You can see that the TypeScript compiler compiles the TypeScript codes into plain JavaScript. Thus, if you now include the editor.js file in your test HTML file and run it in the browser, you will get the following output. Okay, so I need to edit into HTML. That's not exactly what I was looking for. What is this? That's maybe it's output. That's can I run it somehow in here? Oh, it works. I can run it with in here. That's cool. Mhm. That's cool. So to numbers code explanation. That is a number of variables A, B. You will see your syntax number. Type annotation specifies saying the add num will receive and I have plus the output. We will learn more about this in the comment sections. This is number, add numbers, and then we output it. Finally, we are displaying the output in the console. Now let's see how this TypeScript compiles. Add numbers. Okay, so instead of a number, replace that in adders with some num. That's not correct. And recompile that in the terminal, you will get the following compilation error. Oh, okay, so if we do ABC instead, we will get the compilation error and say ABC. And it even IntelliJ is telling me that and if I do 1 to 3, it's okay. And when I save it, will it compile it? No, it doesn't do it. So, oh crap. Compile TypeScript. Here we go. You can do that in here. I don't see a change in here. No errors. Compile. Yeah, okay, so that works. So I can do it in here and here. If I do that, it should be problem. So if I compile all, there must be another better way. Build project, Control F9. So I can try that. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so Control F9, build project. Do you do the same thing? Maybe that's not the right thing to do here. Maybe it is. Huh. Okay, what about now? Control F9. Doesn't look like it. If I do down TypeScript compile, that should do it. Yeah, I think. How can I tell? I'll change this. And now compile all. Okay, so maybe I have to do it in here. What a shame. Heartbeat alive. What is that? I don't know. It is compiled. So let's go here. There's the error. Okay, learn about the types annotation in TypeScript. Annotation. Okay, so TypeScript does not compile the code if you pass a string into a function to executing a number of tasks. Static type checking with type annotation and several other TypeScript features like class, inheritance, and module help programmers write cleaner and more scalable code that can be developed across team. Learn about type annotation. Okay. There's a WhatsApp? Huh. Okay. Type annotation. I'll create a new directory. And it is 005. It will be type annotation. Okay. Type annotations. JavaScript is not a typed language. It means we cannot specify the type of variables such as number, string, and so on. TypeScript we can specify using colon type after the name of the variable, parameter, or property. We can space. There can be space after the colon. TypeScript includes all the primitive types of JavaScript: number, string, and boolean. The following example declares variables in different data types. Sure. And the above example, each variable is declared with their data type. Annotation of parameters, that I know too. Example of annotation object. Okay, so we have variables, parameters, and object. So we will create a file in here, TypeScript file, and it will be type annotations go. And here we will, yes, please edit. So this will be variable type annotations, and we will have a let and number equal 1 to 3. Let bool equal boolean, and that will be true. And let text, and that will be string. Is it case sensitive? It has small number. String is different one. Okay. So maybe lowercase, and here I will say lowercase too, and this will be some text. Okay, so this is the type annotations. Here will be function parameters type annotations, and I need to change the music. Okay. And here we have a function, some function, and then we will have a input a that will be a number, then we will have input b, and that will be, I don't know, string, and output will be number, for example, and we will return 1 to 3, and that will be okay. I could compile it, I guess, by pressing this magical button and maybe killing IntelliJ in the process. Compile. Okay, it disappeared. So, oh crap. Okay, so I go back in here, and here I will go to type annotation JS. And this is the output. Okay, I kind of want to finish this, so I think I will. Annotation on an object. Okay, so there's a type annotations in object, and we will have a let some object equal to something, and there's a number, some number, and type number. How do I do that in here? ID number, and here I say 1 to 3, or what do I say? I do equal sign here on object. What's the right way to do? Number only refers to a type, but is being used as value here. Yeah. How do I var employee? Okay, so it should be like this. Oh, okay. Oh, there's the type. Okay. Type annotation in object. So var employee. Here we define that, and then we assign the value. We cannot do it at once. Okay. Some object. Okay. Okay. Like that. Number. Some text will be string, and some boolean will be boolean. Okay, and then we will say some object will be equal to something in here, and it will have some number, and that will be 1 to 3. Then, and what is here? So if I do Alt Enter, implement all members. Okay, I see. I don't like the arrangement though, so I'll do that. Some boolean text, boolean like so, and here it is complaining that I did not did the semicolons. So that is interesting. It says here that you should be like being separately. Type defining is separate that, and this is definition separated from initialization. Looks like it. Okay, and this is the object initialization. Okay, so I'll save that, and I think I want to add this and that to, what are you doing? Control click. Add to VCS. I will commit. So this one, and it will be type annotation. Type annotations after complete, I think. Is it? Okay. Commit. And I want this guy over here, which I will change. You go by, and then also I want all of the space I probably need. Why I cannot close you? Oh crap. Okay, now so it will be MD here. Next to do, finish TypeScript. Okay, I will say start TypeScript variable chapter. Copy. Start, and okay. And okay, so that is shift and to the right, and we'll put it in, well, not those quotes, those quotes. Okay. That, save, and I want to commit, and this one I will amend to the previous one, type annotation chapter complete. I'll commit, and I think I don't have the project on a Bitbucket. Lock. I do. Okay, so push. Okay, we are way over the time, so that means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.